just go ahead and recycle that menu stuck on the fridge, because this recipe is fast and delicious. Hello and welcome. My name is CBO. Let's begin. Soak the broccoli in salty water for at least 2 minutes, then rinse it off. Please check the description box for a list of ingredients and more information. Chop the garlic, peel, wash, and thinly slice the carrot. The preparations for this recipe should take 5 minutes, then cooking for 10 minutes. Set the carrots aside. Chop into cubes the peppers. If you are new to this channel or a regular visitor, please subscribe and press the notification bell. It is free to subscribe. Set the peppers aside. Let's make the last preps before we cook. Cut into cubes the cold chicken. The reason I'm using the cold chicken is to brown it fast on the outside and not dry inside. I will fry it on high heat. Season it with salt and pepper. Rub the seasoning in and set it aside. Then trim and chop the broccoli while the skillet is heating on high heat. I would like to thank my family, my returning subscribers, for their loyal support on this channel. Add the oil to the skillet. Once it starts to shimmer, add the chicken into one layer. Don't touch the pieces until they have a golden brown sear. That will take about 1 minute before you start turning them over. Them for 4 to 5 minutes. Reduce the heat to low, then take out the chicken from the heat or from the pan. This is how amazing it looks. Fry the garlic on low heat for 1 minute, or switch off the heat and use residual heat to fry, because it is sensitive to heat. If you have ginger, add it too. Add the carrots and broccoli and fry on high heat, stirring regularly. I am stirring regularly so that the garlic doesn't end up getting burnt. Add the peppers and stir. Please support the channel by pressing the like button and leaving your comments below. Please tell me in the comment section what is your preferred stir-fry combination. Add the chicken stock, or if you don't have it, add water and stir. Add the oyster sauce. Followed by light soy sauce, then the dark soy sauce in no particular order, and stir. Add back the chicken with its juices and stir. Make the cornstarch slurry and add it in. Stir. This one-pan recipe can be made as a midweek quick meal. Mix, mix, mix. Add the sesame seed oil. And honey. This is optional. Remember, we cook with what we have. Stir, stir, stir. It's ready. Serve it with rice for dinner. I hope you will enjoy the stir fry. Thank you so much for your time. See you soon. Bye bye.